This is Professor McEwen, and the topic is discussions and how to do the discussions. This class has been designated as a Gordon Rule class. Well, what does that mean? Because I noticed some of you are like, what the heck's the Gordon Rule? Well, it was a law that was passed by the state of Florida named after Senator Gordon, in which a college student has to demonstrate college level writing over a number of assignments. So discussions will meet that Gordon Rule. In the Gordon Rule, you have to have proper writing, grammar, spelling, analysis, and so forth. And it has to have some form for history, for example, properly citing the sources. So, how are we going to do that? Well, first and foremost, all discussions have the same format. First and foremost, step one, answer the question. Now you might think, well, what's so hard about that? You'll be surprised. Step two, it has to contain at least 2 paragraphs in 200 words. So about roughly 100 words per paragraph. You can go over the 200 words, 200 in 2 paragraph minimum. Now understand, that's the minimum. Anything below that, you don't get a passing score on your discussion post. Including in the 2 paragraph, 200 word minimum will be your footnoted material. These are sources that you're taking from She, the textbook, which is the only source you're allowed to use, by the way. Not the History Channel, not any other book, just David She's book, America, and that's the only one you can use. Now, whatever you're taking from the textbook needs to be in quotations followed by the footnote number. That information then will come underneath the written work that you have provided. I'll see a number 1, and then I'll see David She, America, a narrative of history, and then in parentheses, New York, the publisher, the year 2019, and close parentheses, and the page number. You can't use more than 3 footnotes for a discussion. What I want to see is your writing, not David She's writing. And also, when I'm reading your discussion, I should not see, according to David She, in America, a narrative history. That's just fluff, and that's just adding to it. If you want to include She's name, just say, according to She, and then put into quotations, and then the number. First one being number 1. Now post it to the discussion. Then go and respond to 2 students, and the responses should enhance or also give critique. Do not put, I really like what you wrote. I really love what you wrote. Your writing is so good. That doesn't tell me anything and doesn't tell the writer anything. It might make them feel good, but you won't get any credit for that portion for the discussion. So let's do a review. First, answer the question. 2, provide at least 2 paragraphs in 200 words. 3, at least to have 1 footnoted source from David She, no more than 3, and respond to 2 students. If you have any more questions about how to do discussions, please email me on the class website. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And have a great day. I look forward to reading your discussions.